Track 61. Activity Book. Unit 4, Lesson 4. Listen and point to the activities.
Hello, my name is Mahmoud. I'm going to tell you about myself. I always clean my teeth after breakfast and before I go to bed. I wake up at 6 o'clock on school days. Then I get dressed and have breakfast. I go to school at 8 o'clock. At school, my favorite lesson is art. After school, I ride my bike in the park. Then I go home and do my homework. After homework, I often watch TV before I go to bed. On Wednesday, after school, I go swimming at the sports club. On Saturday, I always help at home. And then I often go shopping with my mother. On Saturday afternoon, I play football with my friends. And then, at home, I play computer games. In the summer holidays, I like going fishing with my father.